everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you are doing fantastic in your life. So let's kick off today's vlog uh, from Seri village, and right now we are at Seri, but this place is known by different name. Seri is Gram Panchayat, and this village name I actually don't know. So let me show you a view around this house. Well guys, it's 7 in this evening and we are coming back from our work right now. We just parked our vehicle here. Now going towards our room. We have to walk a little distance to reach our room, and it rained a lot today during serving race duty. Have you ever seen such a beautiful scene, guys? Look, the sun is about to set, and look at the beautiful, enormous, majestic Himalaya range. It really looks magical today. And this view is of after rain. What happened? And another beauty is lying here. Of course, making noise, but this is the sweetest noise of my life. Noise, but sweetest. So this is the beautiful view. Love your gossip. So there is my room, and in front of our room here is a fast food shop. So we have ordered chow mein and something else. Only chow mein. I can try samosa and yes, of course, chai. And here comes our snack. Nowadays, I have started eating. After relishing the delicious snacks, we are reached at our room. That's a beautiful home, the place where I live, in a rented room. It's really so pretty, isn't it? And the view in front of me is absolutely amazing. Oh God. Finally, guys, we are landed safely. Every day I enjoy this scene, and it looks more pleasant after rain. So this is my favorite corner, which I love to enjoy. Finally, I am reached at my room. You know what, guys? No matter how much you roam around outside and how much you enjoy yourself outside, the real comfort comes at your room, doesn't it? So, the comfort which I can realize right now, I can't realize outside. I guess you enjoyed today's video, and this day was very hectic for us, and we are feeling so lethargic because we wandered a lot and it rained a lot also. Approx for 2 hours it rained non-stop, but we work during that time, so this is our specialty. I guess you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.